Word bars are ideal for expanding a student's vocabulary or supporting the structure of a student's writing. To create a word bar, go to the Smart Tab Ribbon tab and click New. Then select Word Bar. Here we can choose how the words are sorted, either by topic or alphabetically. And here we can type or paste text in from a website or document. I am taking some text from a web page, pasting it in. Down below, we can filter out the most common words. And then we can click Create to create the word bar. The word bar is created instantly. You can right-click to hear a word.
Allows. Adjacent. Amalot less.
And left-click to send the word into the document. Alternatively, you could drag a word from the word bar into the document if you were using a touchscreen. You can click Edit Word Bar to make changes. And here you can edit the grid content, as well as the word order, the layout of the word bar, and color options as well. You can choose to apply the settings from your first grid across all the grids in your word bar, the main settings, which is a great time saver. Otherwise, you can click a specific grid and make your changes there separately. Once done, click Run at the top to use your word bar.